Briefly going to explain this thing here, so take your time and watch this video. We wanted to send a voice note, but we changed our mind and we don't want to send text again, so that everything will be practical. So when you log into your Admob account now, we're going to explaining the issue that is happening. When you log into your Admob account now, come here. When you log into your Admob account, click on this three line there, click on it. So when you click on it, then click on apps. When you click on it, click on apps here. So this video is for everybody. So we have other special group, but this one anybody here can watch the video. So when you click on apps here, then when you click on apps here, you see this particular account here has this apps here. So but look down here, you see where they say all apps down here. Click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to open. So you can see all the apps here. So see all the apps here. So we are going to use any of the app here to show you an example. But before that, we see we are under apps here, and we are under apps to confirm, and we have app.txt. So under apps here, these are the list of apps we have here. So you can see that app visibility there is locked, it's not visible. But if you select any app, if you tick on any box here, you see that the visibility is going to be on. You click there, you can see now visibility is on. So if you click here, you see, so that is where you can hide the app. Then any app that you tick the box here, you'll be able to hide it. Then if you click on hide, that particular one that I tick, you're able to hide. So app to confirm here, here, this one is app that you publish and they haven't verified it. Then if you click there, so there's no app here to confirm. So app.txt, you have already explained that. But when you click there, you'll be able to copy the code. If you click here, how to set up app.txt, when you click there, then if you tap this here, this is the code we are going to copy. But that is not what we are here. Let's go back. Then let's click on this three line here again. There is something. So when you click there, then click on apps again. Click on apps. So click on apps. So let's use any of the app here as an example, like this Sweet Cross Planet. So if you click on it, so you can see that the app, this particular one, is ready. You can see it's showing ready, meaning it's good to go. So the reason why it's showing ready is that after we publish this app, then let's click on this three line there again. After we select that particular app, click on it. So when you click on it, you see, if you then click on app settings here, click on app settings, click on it. So when you click on it, on app settings, you can see that it's showing app ready. You can see app is ready. Then under app store details, this app is published on Amazon. But let me click on this pencil here and show you something. This pencil here, then click on this pencil. Then you can see that, let me zoom in. You can see that Google Admob is working with Xiaomi App Store, working with Vivo App Store, working with Amazon App Store, working with Oppo App Market, working with Samsung Galaxy. And so meaning that any app that is published on any of these store here, apart from app that is not on any of the store mentioned here, they will not be able to display ad. It's like before they were doing self-clicking. Even though your app is not published anywhere, you'll be able to monetize it and they will start showing advert. But now your app must publish on any of the store here. They mention this store here, they mention here, any of the store here, this one, anyone. But so, and mind you, if your app is on, if you publish your app on Amazon, we have already recorded the video how you can link with Amazon. So the only thing they need is package name. The same thing Oppo, the same thing Samsung, the same thing Vivo, the same thing Xiaomi App Store. So if you publish app there, the only thing you need is your package name. But if it's app that is on Google Play Store, this place here, if you cancel here, then it's only link. So we are going to be recording video about that too. So it's just only the link. So the purpose of this video is that you see that the Amazon here is thick. Amazon here is thick. It's the Amazon that is thick, meaning this particular app is published on Amazon. So you can see that. So but right now Amazon stop their SDK is not working, and they have stopped any app that is targeting Android users. That's why you keep seeing need attention. So let me click on apps here and choose any app that is not yet linked on Play Store. Let me check this quick ties. Let me click on it and see if the app is also. You can see that most of you are seeing your own showing required review, or some of you see is showing need attention. So click on this three line here again. Let's try to link it. Then you click on settings. Hope you are following the video. So let's click on settings here. So for those of you that your app is showing need attention, this particular place here where you say require, some of you is showing need attention simply because Amazon have removed their SDK, and any app that is targeting Android user, they will ask for it to require review. But they are still working with Admob. But if even your app is showing this place is showing require review, there is no issue, because they have stopped targeting Android users. What they are doing now is they have what they call Amazon Fire Store, Amazon TV. So if your app is targeting Amazon Fire Store and Fire TV, even though you show require review, there is no issue for that. And they have stopped Android users. You cannot be able to download app on. And this thing started this year. You cannot be able to download any Android device. Any Android device, you will not be able to download app on Amazon. That's why it's showing require or need attention. That's why it's showing need attention in your account. As we send you package name and as we link it, that's why it's showing like that. So let's go to our developer account and show you something. So we are loading Amazon developer account now, so that everything here is going to be practical. So you don't have to be worried. We have so many Amazon developer account. You can see this is where we publish this app. You can see all the apps here. You can see it here. So even your app is showing a need attention, you don't have to be worried, because our own app here, we didn't target only Android user. So we try to remove the SDK from Android user. But as they just bring this thing new, it will still show require review. But you don't have to be panicked. So when this thing started newly, we didn't know. So we didn't know that this is what is going to be happening. So that's why we keep changing app, keep changing until we come to Amazon. We discover that they have stopped Android device. You can see they have different devices here. Amazon Fire TV. So let me click on this add app. This particular Amazon developer account has 14 apps published here. We have one that has about 200 apps that were published on Amazon. But let me click on this add app here. Then let me show you the device they are talking about. So click on add app. Click on add app. So if I a developer now, this one too is going to be is going to help you, because as they stop targeting Android device user because of their SDK. So let me quickly do as here I'm publishing app, so that will show the device they are talking about. So let's call it WinShop. Then we'll select the category here. Let's just say business. Then we select brainstorming. Let's do as if, then we click on save. Let's do as if we are publishing this app, so that they will be able to show us the device. So we want everything here to be practical. So everything is going to be practical. So as we are not publishing, I'll just keep some things. I'll just click on next straight. I'll click on next here. Click on next on top there. Click on next, so that we'll be able to show you the device they are talking about. So that's why we have been quiet, and you can see now. Let me zoom in so that you read this thing. So this is where the issue, and they make it so clear. This is what they are talking about here. This is what they are talking about here. And if you read here, let me read these two places. This is where they explain themselves. So let's zoom it small and quickly read. And this thing started August. We didn't know, we were not aware, but some of you that get the app, it was ready, so you were lucky. So but still, you don't need to panic, because we were publishing apps that target their own device, their Fire device. So let's quickly read. So for those of you that have Amazon developer account and you are in this group, and some people have, we help them publish their app on their account. So meaning, if you are facing the issues, this is where the issue is coming from. So they say as of August 2025, support for Amazon App Store for Android on mobile devices is discontinued. Developers no longer have the option to submit new apps or update to their existing app targeting Android device. Amazon App Store will continue to be available and supported on Fire TV, Fire Tablet, and Fire TV built-in product. So you can see, so they mention it, everything is very clear. So they say Amazon device. I'm reading the second one here. I'm reading this one. I'm reading here. This is where I'm reading now. This is where I'm reading. So they say supported devices. Amazon devices and the version that are supported by your app file are pre-selected. Click on edit supported device, so the capability or learn more. So you can see, let me read this one here. So everything here is practical. You can see. So they say select supported devices, you would need to complete the app file selection. So all this one is our business now. So you can see all the targeted device here. You can see these are the device. So if I click here, they'll be able to show me the device to select here. If I click that box, you can see. So these are the devices, and they are updating this thing now. So you can see all the devices. You see all the country, America, Africa. So you can see that here, this is where I'm talking about. So here, so you can see the app from Europe, The devices from Europe is 52. Then let me start. The devices in Europe there is 52 device, Asia 48, North America 36, Oceanian 23, Africa 56, 5, and South America 14. So you can see the devices. So that is why even if your app should need attention, we have fixed it. What we are doing is we didn't include, as we have, the code is already targeting Android device. That's why they are saying all of these things. So we have already ticked these things. So we publish, and the app is targeting anybody that using Fire tablet, Fire TV tablet, and Fire TV built-in product. The person will be able to install the app. So even if your app is showing need attention, you don't have to be panicked. And for those that they haven't gotten their app package name, we are going to be sending them today. So pay attention and watch this video. So we no longer do voice note again. So let's go to Admob. Either we find one or two things to explain there.